Mycotoxins at low level is indeed already a discussion for quite some years. What is a low level? That's the first good question. What is low? Because in the past we could say low level is below the European guidelines levels. But as we said already, EFSA has just revised that these levels were actually not low enough. So low, is there even a level which is safe? That we can say below that there is no effects of mycotoxins? Probably not. And we see that typically at the low moderate levels of mycotoxins we see effect on gut health, we still see effects on the immune response. Some vaccine studies have been done, so meaning that even a lower response on vaccination. Performance, there are only a few studies, so at all these different, you even see effects of low moderate levels of mycotoxins, levels which we considered always as safe, because everyone thought always that levels where we don't see clinical symptoms, think about, for example, these pale livers with hemorrhages with aflatoxins, or these swollen vulvas in pigs with Aileron, for example, that we don't have a problem with mycotoxins. But I think the research of the last 10-20 years clearly has demonstrated that you don't have to see clinical symptoms for your animals to be affected by the mycotoxins. Of course, it's an interaction. It's an interaction with many different elements. Think about animal-related elements. Are we talking about which animal species? Are we talking about a pig? Are we talking about chickens? Are we talking about cattle? Because we know that there is difference in the metabolization, for example, in the susceptibility for the mycotoxins between pigs and poultry, between cattle and poultry, between cattle and pigs. But also management-related factors. What's the disease pressure on your farm? And I think for that, what's the effect of low, moderate levels of mycotoxins? You should see it a little bit more holistic. It plays a role in many different problems on your farm, but it will not induce the clinical mycotoxicosis as you know from the books. No, it plays a role in affecting the immune system, in affecting gut health, and affecting a bit performance. So that's a bit my view on how we have to see the effects of low, moderate levels of mycotoxins.